Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Colors name: light blue color, red color, orange color, dark blue color, black color, pink color, brown color and neon color. So kids, today we are going to learn ABCD but in lowercase, like small ABCD. We are using so many colors here. Blue color, A for apple, A for apple. Green color, B for ball, B for ball. Yellow color, C for cat, C for cat. Red color, D for dog, D for dog. Blue color, E for elephant, E for elephant. Green color, F for fish, F for fish. Yellow color, G for goat, G for goat. Red color, H for hand, H for hand. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jug, J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. Yellow color, O for owl, O for owl. P for piano, P for piano. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for ring, R for ring. S for star, S for star. T for tomato, T for tomato. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for village, V for village. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra. And at last we make a cute little smiley for happy kids. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic, ABCD 1 to 3. Till then, bye.